chose engineered lumber because it's an 80-year-old house. We have old growth, very dry Douglas fir, and we increased the wall size from a 2x4 to a 2x6 so we can get a higher insulation value. So we did a technique of framing called ripping and sistering, where we ripped 2-inch sections of the engineered lumber and we screwed it to the face of the stud. And in other places we took a 2x6 and nailed it to the side of the stud. And when you bring in new lumber and old lumber, if we were to have used green lumber, the moisture from the new lumber would suck into the old lumber and it could crack and split, especially after putting nails through it. So the engineered lumber is perfectly dry and matches the moisture content of the old lumber. So we replaced every stud in the house where we didn't do the rip and sister technique. On the original structure, there was no weep screed on the stucco, and the exterior grade was above the bottom plate on the interior. So anytime it rained, the water went into the house, rotted the bottom plate, and rotted the bottom foot of all the studs in the house. These rooms where we ripped and sistered for the moisture, but also we were able to plumb up these walls to perfectly plumb, square, and level because the engineered lumber is perfectly straight.